Poon Hill trek, for me, it's a beautifully diverse trek. From the vantage point, you'll see the beautiful vistas of Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, Machapuchre and many more mountains.
This trek is a popular choice for those seeking a taste of the Himalayas without the commitment of a longer expedition. Its easy access from Pokhara city and relatively easy terrain make it an ideal choice for first-time trekkers or those with limited time.
So Poon Hill trek is not a physically demanding trek, especially for the beginners. If your dream is to do trek in the Himalayas, I think Poon Hill is the best option for you.
Our Ghorepani Poon Hill trek starts in a bustling city of Kathmandu. From here, we drive to Pokhara, a city amidst the Annapurna range. This city offers a serene atmosphere, perfect for relaxation, making it an ideal starting point for our trek. Excited for the trek ahead, we had an evening yoga session. Doing yoga before a trek, especially after a long drive like the one we had from Kathmandu to Pokhara, can be really helpful. It can help loosen up your muscles, improve your flexibility and balance, and even help you mentally prepare for the trek ahead.
Ghorepani Poon Hill trek is not that high altitude compared to other trekking trails in Nepal. It is just about 3,210 meter highest point. It's a village to village trek. The trails are well maintained and you will get a good accommodations. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Todo excitado.
A sharp machine, no kerosene, could make her burn, she would break again.
¿Cómo es? ¿Estás bien? ¿Sí
esto es
puede
muy
caminar?
duro.
¿Sí puede caminar Ulleri?
No, la vida del porter es una vida muy dura. Desde Place Nepal, buenos porteadores fuertes.
Go! We just started Ghorepani Poon Hill trek from Nepal. It's about like 4 to 5 hours. After 3 hours, we're gonna have lunch in Tikedunga. See you guys on the way.
I need you 'cause it is can't make me cry, make me cry. I'm so up high, I'm so up high.
Today morning we drove from Pokhara to Nayapul and officially began our trek. The initial climb is gentle, taking us through terraced fields and over suspension bridges.
With just a sound, you can make me hurt. And you know why? I'm needing your attention. But when you come around to me, well, I just can't take it. But that's the thing, I want your love, even if it's an exception. I need you 'cause it is can't make me cry, make me cry. I'm so up high, I'm so up high.
Upon reaching Tikedunga, we had a delicious local lunch of dal bhat and continued to Ulleri for the night. The best time to trek this trail is during the spring and autumn seasons. This trip is in November. The weather is pleasant and the skies are clear.
Faltan 5 minutos. 5 minutos, Nam. 5 minutos. Bye.
Inhala lo, inhala Rendu.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Nam. Gracias, gracias.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
The Poon Hill trek is moderately challenging, suitable for most people with a reasonable level of fitness. The well-maintained trails and gradual ascent make it accessible to trekkers of all ages. Today will be a more challenging climb to Ghorepani. The trail is steep, but the rewards are worth the effort. We pass through rhododendron forests, and as we approach Ghorepani, the views become even more spectacular.
Organizing such group like this, it's challenging in itself. However, Places Nepal operational team has done a great job. All the hotels were pre-booked, food were served on time. All the crew member has done a good job by looking good care of our clients.
Filling up the sink, water never drains. Looking for the brain, feel I've gone insane.
We will spend the night in Ghorepani, gearing up for the highlight of the trek. The name Ghorepani actually means horse water. It used to be a rest stop for ancient traders where they would water their horses before continuing their journey. Nestled at an elevation of around 2,874 meters above sea level, Ghorepani offers stunning panoramic views of the Himalayas. Their traditional houses, adorned with colorful prayer flags, add to the charm of the village, perfect for an evening yoga session.
Peggio dei paparazzi.
After a yoga session, we sat around the communal fireplace and ended the night with a delicious dinner, excited for the big day tomorrow. Today we woke up early before dawn to hike to Poon Hill, a vantage point with panoramic views of the snow-capped peaks. The sunrise over the snow-capped peaks is a sight to behold, a truly awe-inspiring spectacle that will stay with us forever. After soaking in the beauty, we descend back to Ghorepani and indulge in a hearty breakfast. We then continue our trek to Tadapani, a village amidst stunning landscapes. The trail winds through diverse terrains, offering captivating views of Annapurna. Tadapani, with its warm and welcoming atmosphere, is a favorite among trekkers. We'll spend the night here, immersing ourselves in the local culture and perhaps even joining in a fun dance session with our hosts.
ल दिदी धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद ल
The next day, we descend to Gandro, a village known for its stone houses and rich culture. From Gandro, we take a scenic bus ride back to Pokhara, concluding our adventure.
Hola, me llamo Inma y vengo con un grupo de amigas de Gran Canaria. Hemos venido aquí a Nepal a hacer un trekking de montaña. Hemos estado caminando 4 días por sitios increíbles y lo hemos hecho con Places Nepal, con este equipo maravilloso que nos ha tratado súper bien. Hemos estado súper acogidas, hemos comido en sitios estupendos, comida local, hemos recorrido las montañas, visitado pueblos perdidos. Ha sido una experiencia realmente única.
Por supuesto, recomiendo a todo aquel que tenga la ilusión de venir a Nepal que lo haga con Places Nepal, porque es la mejor empresa para hacerlo. Además, tienen unos guías maravillosos. Una persona que está al frente de todo, que habla español e inglés y les va a introducir en la vida nepalí como nadie. Así que vengan, por favor, que nos hemos sentido súper acogidas.
Hola, soy Eugenia, vengo de Canarias y he estado en un viaje con Places Nepal que me ha gustado mucho, como mi amiga Carmen, que ya habló antes y ha explicado todo el viaje fantásticamente y con la que estoy de acuerdo. Vengan a viajar a Nepal con Places Nepal.
Soy Javi Cruz, guía de montaña de España, de Canarias. Estoy aquí haciendo el trekking con un grupo de Ghorepani Poon Hill y esto es espectacular. Tienen que venir a Nepal, al Himalaya, con Places Nepal y Kalima Trek.
Hola, soy Sonia de Gran Canaria, España. Estamos haciendo una caminata de Ghorepani a Poon Hill. Por supuesto, tienen que venir con Places Nepal y con Kalima Trek.
Soy Miranda y vivo en Barcelona, aunque soy canaria, y estoy finalizando un viaje a Nepal en el cual he encontrado una empresa, Places Nepal, que es fantástica. La recomiendo a todos los que quieran venir a Nepal porque ha sido una semana llena de maravillas en la montaña, alojamientos muy cerca, a pie de la montaña, con un equipo humano muy profesional, lleno de porteadores. Nos cuidaban en todo momento, cubrían todas las necesidades que pudiésemos tener, gente muy amable, muy divertida y grandes profesionales. Así que recomiendo a Places Nepal si queréis venir a Nepal y tener una experiencia maravillosa.